What's up, SBM gang? I'm back with another collab, and it's what? No shade. Shout out to Alipearl for sending me this bust down HD wig. I love Alipearl wigs. Every time they send me a wig, it's always a bust down. The wig is always high density. They never send me nothing thin, nothing shedding, and it's no shade. So my girl Zari Barbie been wanting a black wig forever. If you follow me on Instagram, you know I've been putting colored wigs on her back to back to back to back. So she was like, Matthew, please just put a black wig on me. I want black hair so bad. So I was like, damn, bitch. Okay, I'm gonna just put this black wig on you. No shade. And it came out so cute. Please watch to the end so you can see what it gave. Y'all already know I use Boho liquid gold on my new caps. I don't like to use spray. It's not good for the skin. Spray, hairspray got to be, that's for styling. You don't want to just directly put that on your skin to do a new cap. It's never tea. But anyways, look at this lace. I tinted it a little bit, but this was just already giving. And I like this lace because it was a little bit thicker. It almost is as thick as transparent lace, but it's still HD lace as far as seamlessness goes. Like, it literally blends right into her skin, but it's not as thin as HD lace. And some people don't like HD lace because it be ripping too much. So I think this is a great alternative. I need to figure out the exact term for this lace, but I can tell it was HD, but they used a different material so that way it can last longer. And it's really no shade. Right here, I'm just showing you guys how I use the tape. Y'all need to fold the white towel. Some of y'all are still not knowing how to use this tape. It's no shade. It's so simple. Boho Lemon Burst is my favorite. My favorite adhesive to use. It smells good. It holds the wig down. I don't know. I feel like it's a little bit stronger than the other glues because my clients' wigs do not lift when I use this glue. I just love it. And they love it too. It's no shade. I did about 3 to 4 layers, dried it clear, and then I applied that wig. It's no shade. Now I'm going to just apply that lace right where it needs to be on top of that glue. I didn't show it on this video, but I did tie the hair down and I blow dried it with cool to warm air for about 3 minutes, and then I proceeded to cut the lace off with my eyebrow razor. Some of you girls are still using them scissors, and I told y'all stop doing that shit. You want to use eyebrow razors so that way you can tell the story, make it camouflage. You don't want that line to be too straight across because then it's very noticeable. So I'm telling you, get you an eyebrow razor or even get 100 because they sell them in bulk because they go dull fast. No shade. Now on to my favorite part. I didn't realize how important baby hair placement was until about, I would say, the end of 2021. You have to make sure your middle, especially when you do middle part bust downs, You want your widow's peak to just really be a bust down. Even if you don't make your frontal necessarily be pointy in the middle, you still want that middle area in between those two baby hairs in your temple areas. You want it to be real slayed, real bust down, like nobody can touch you. So that's even down to making sure your baby hairs are evenly spread apart, because sometimes you have to line it up with your middle part. So sometimes your baby hairs be too far on the left side, but they're close on the right side. That's not cute. And I used to do stuff like that because I didn't think it was that deep. But placement is everything. You want to make sure they're not too far apart and they're not too close to your middle part. It's like, but this is only when you doing this specific style of baby hairs, no shade. Oh, y'all see I finally bought me a mini flat iron. I went so long with my bulky flat iron because I didn't want to go find another pencil flat iron. But I literally found this in the hair store and I bought it immediately because now I feel like I can cut the hair shorter and my baby hairs don't have to be so big. When you use a thicker flat iron, it makes your baby hairs bigger. But when you got that skinnier flat iron, you can curl closer to the root and you could do your big one. So I was so happy that I got it, and I just had to like show the girls redemption. Now, I didn't mold the baby hairs down before I cut them, so it was very hard to lay these baby hairs. They were kind of like lifting up and you could tell like the hair wasn't set. So I said, I just literally got them in the direction I wanted them to go and I tied it down. Once they're dry, I'll be able to fix them with hairspray and shape them how I want them to. Now I'm going in with a thicker curling iron and I'm just going in doing my waves. I'm doing my left side, I'm doing my right side. You want both sides to be curling away from the face. I did put some layers in the front, and I didn't really show me cutting layers because I have so many videos of me doing layers. So if y'all want a more detailed layer video, let me know in the comments, but it's plenty of videos of me layering hair. I only did the front though. I did not layer this whole wig like I usually do because I wanted a specific look. I wanted it to be very full, very thick. I only wanted the front to kind of have that layer dimension vibe. This is me right here cleaning up that middle part, making it a bust down. And now this is what we got. Shout out to Alipearl. This is Zari's favorite wig that I've ever put on her. And I think it's mine too because it's just so sexy and just everything she wanted. She wanted to be grown and sexy. So this is exactly what that is. It was giving date night. I think she missed her date because I took too long. But no shade. Like, this hair was worth it. It was worth missing that date. Y'all subscribe to my YouTube channel. We're almost at 5,000 subscribers. Be sure to follow Zari on her social medias. And it's no shade. Thank you, Alipearl.